I get emails all the time from guys asking how to get into these tiny little keyways on these suitcase locks, things like that. These are really difficult to get into with standard size picks. It wasn't always that way though. Not too many years ago, there was a company called Rytan. They're still around, but they no longer make these picks. These are called the Rytan mini picks, and they made them primarily for locksmiths, but they made them with tips that were 20% smaller than normal. So there on the right, you see a half diamond from Sparrows, and you see the tiny little mini tip. It's noticeably smaller and narrower. These were made, obviously, to get into tiny little keyways. Here's a comparison of a snake rake with the mini on the right. And the last one would be, these also came with a choice of handles. These blue ones that you see here are the ergonomic handles. Here's a normal hook. And the ones on the right, or actually these are obviously Sparrow's handles, but you could get these with an option for this style of handle. C.R. Williams was kind enough to loan me these out of his pick collection just to show off. I don't know why they don't make these anymore, other than perhaps they're delicate and maybe they got a lot of complaints, but they're definitely still handy. So if you can convince somebody to let you keep them, C.R. Williams, no, not going to happen. Or if you can make yourself a set, you'll find yourself using them quite often. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to use the hook on this guy. Now, Avis, it is a 5-pinner, and it does contain security pins. The core is also spring-loaded, and when you hold it, don't hold it with your finger clamping down on the shackle like that, because that'll take away from your feedback. So stick your finger out there just kind of like that. This is a family channel. Try not to be too obvious about it. All right, see what we got here. Okay, it was pin 1, pin 3. Got a deep fault set. Looking for counter rotation because Abus loves spools. There he is right there. Now they are delicate, so try not to put too much tension on them. And if you find yourself putting too much tension, go ahead and drop another pin, and you can always come back and get him. Lighten up some more, Bill. Don't break it. These are loners. There we go. I got him that time. All right, we're still not open, so I'm looking for another spool. There he is, pin 3. Come on. And there we go. Really cool little picks. They are just a little bit delicate. Oh, you didn't see that. That's got a little bend in it just from that minor manipulation of the spools. So that's probably why they don't make these anymore. But there's no reason you can't make yourself a set of these and keep them in your kit. And just in case you run across these tiny little keyways, you got some tools to work with. CR, man, I am sorry about that. It didn't feel like I was bending it, but obviously picking that spool, I certainly did put a little left-hand turn in that pick. Sorry about that. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. CR, I will get these back to you after I make the correction in that left-hand turn. Thanks, guys.
Walk light where the sun begins. Walk light.